Hi there everyone, Jason Powley here from thetrainersedge.co.uk. Just a quick little video here because it's getting dark. It's a bit late at the moment. It's roughly about 8:30, nearly up to 9 o'clock. So the light's going a bit. So I'm just going to quickly show you something I've just rigged up on my portable rig over here. So normally you've probably seen me doing high pulleys from my pulley. So I've rigged up a system where I can now do low rows. So hopefully if you can see it there. So in there is just the plate rigged up to the pulley. I put another pulley just over there to another one. So now I can do more low rows. I'm going to spice in the video now and then I'll show you what I've just done. So you can see I can now do low rows or kneeling low rows. So this piece of equipment is really versatile, so I can do lots of things with it. So hope you like this quick little video, and I shall see you soon on another video coming soon. Cheers.